balance between tasks? Good. Now can you tell me your full name?
My full name is Lenin Fawazil. Kimberly is my English name.
Bin, how old are you?
I'm 20 old.
No. Where do you live, Bin?
I live in Phúc Thọ, Hà Nội. I'm small, beautiful.
Good. Where do you study, Bin?
I study in from CNR Family School. I'm sixth class.
Can you describe your school? Describe big, whether it's big or small. How do you describe your teacher and student?
Student.
My school?
My school is teacher.
What, good? Are you good or good? Excellent or
Excellent.
excellent? Bin, what do you like to do in your free time?
My free time is parenting.
Oh, playing badminton. Bin, are you good at tennis? Yes or no?
No,
Bin, how do you go to school? Oh, how do you go to school? By car, by motorbike? By motorbike. And how do you stay safe when you ride a motorbike? What are you going to wear to be safe? To be safe. What? Basket socket, or you wear a helmet or put on sunscreens? Huh? Oh, helmet. Bin, what type of art do you like? What types of arts? Like painting? Why? Why you like painting? Why is it colorful? Bin, what did you eat for lunch?
Tea.
Tea. And let's proceed to part 2. Let's talk about your dream job. Bin, what do you want to be?
I want to be police officer.
Police officer. Okay, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? To become a police officer, what are you going to do? Oh, what are you going to do? What police do? What are you going to wear for the job to become a police officer? What clothes are you going to wear? What are you going to wear? Police officer. Okay, police officer.
Police officer.
What is it? What clothes?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Now let's proceed to your dream vacation, Bin. Bin, where are you going to go on vacation? Dana. When? Tomorrow? Next week or next month? Next month. How are you going to be there? By plane, by car, by bus? Huh? How are you going to get there? By plane, by car, by plane. What are you going to take with you? Bring trunks and money. So what are you going to do?
Ride
a horse. What else? And to swim?
and sweet
Swim in the.
in the ocean.
That's all, Bin. Thank you.
Thank you for listening.